Hello friends, welcome to EduTab. In this session, I am talking about all previous year questions asked in the IBPS AFO mains examination from 2012 to 2021 question papers. So referring the previous year questions that will help you to perform better in the examination as well as it will make you familiar with the question types and question pattern. So when you are preparing for the mains examination of AFO, then agronomy is at the first priority. So let's see which type of questions from agronomy are being asked from last 10 years in the mains of AFO. Before going to the questions, I'm requesting you to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also join our Telegram channel to access the PDF and the notes of video lectures that we are providing on YouTube. So first question from agronomy asked in IBPS AFO mains 2012. That is, beaten rice is also known as, and the correct answer for the question is fleck rice. Fleck rice is known as beaten rice. Second question is seed of rice is called, and the correct answer for the question is caryopsis. Seed of rice is called caryopsis. So third question was asked in the AFO mains 2012 is the crop grown for grain, green manure and fodder is. From the given option, the correct answer is cowpea. Cowpea is the crop grown for grain, green manure and fodder purpose. Next question is annual loss of agricultural produce in India is more due to different factors. Find out the factors in a correct sequence based on higher degree of loss to the lower degree. And the correct answer from the given 5 option is weed cause more loss than insects cause more loss than diseases. This is the correct sequence of loss from higher degree to the lower degree. Fifth question is cereals are, and the options are first is deficient in lysine and methionine, second rich in lysine and methionine, third rich in lysine and deficient in methionine, fourth deficient in lysine and rich in methionine, or none of these. From these given 5 options, and the most correct option is cereals are deficient in lysine and rich in methionine. Okay. Sixth question is International Rice Research Institute is located in, and the options are Manila, Los Banos, Cuttack, Hyderabad and Geneva. And the correct option for the question is Los Banos, means Philippines, where the International Rice Research Institute is located. Next question is which of the following is an explosive fertilizer, and the options are ammonium nitrate, urea, sodium nitrate, both B and C or none of these. And the most correct option from the 5 is ammonium nitrate. Ammonium nitrate is an explosive fertilizer. In this image you can see the Leibniz capital of Beirut, and the tragedy happened there due to this explosive nature of ammonium nitrate. Next is the botanical name of pearl millet, and the options are Penicillium typhoides, Eleusine coracana, Zea mays, Avena sativa or none of these. And the most correct option is Penicillium typhoid is the botanical name for the pearl millet. Next question is pea seeds will germinate best if soaked in a jar containing, options are carbon dioxide, nitrogen, oxygen, hydrogen or none of these. You can easily answer this question. The correct answer is oxygen. Okay, next. Next question is which of the following land types deserve sprinkler irrigation? And the options are land types of humid regions, land types of hilly areas, wetland, fragmented land or dry land. And the most correct option from the 5 options is land types of hilly areas deserves sprinkler irrigation. Next question is which of the following agroclimatic condition is suitable for wheat cultivation? And the options are hot and humid climate, wet and humid climate, moderate temperature and moderate rainfall, cold weather and heavy rainfall, or dry weather and scarce rainfall. The most correct option from this 5 is moderate temperature and moderate rainfall condition is suitable for wheat cultivation, and moderate temperature is of 21 degrees Celsius and moderate rainfall is of 550 to 650 millimeter, and optimum pH for wheat cultivation is 6 to 7.5. Next, which of the following crop is mainly grown in Barak Valley? And the options are sugarcane, jute, maize, tea or cotton. And the most correct option is jute. Jute is cultivated or grown in Barak Valley. What is the approximate gross crop area in India? And the options are 78 million hectare, 100 million hectare, 150 million hectare, 200 million hectare or 300 million hectares. And the most correct option is 200 million hectare. Actually 196.50 million hectare is the gross crop area in India. Okay. Next is which of the following express approximate geographical area of India? From these five options, the correct option is 32 lakh square kilometer or 328.7 million hectare is the approximate geographical area of India. Next question is which of the following means filling the lands? And options are preparation of the land for next crop, digging well, harvesting of the crop, draining the land or irrigating the land. And the most correct option is draining the land means filling the lands, in which the disposal of the waste under controlled condition is done. Okay. Next. Volatilization of ammonia in soil increase with increase in, and the options are cation capacity of the soil, clay content of the soil, increase in sodium carbonate content of the soil, calcium carbonate content of the soil or moisture content of the soil. And the correct option is increase in moisture content of the soil, that will cause more volatilization, that will cause more loss of nitrogen in the form of vapors. Which of the following regions deserve drip irrigation? And the options are cotton soil region, hot and humid region, high rainfall region, all of these or none of these. And the most correct option is cotton soil region. These cotton soil regions deserve drip irrigation. Which of the following is a highly digestive protein crop? Highly digestive protein crop. And the options are maize, cotton, paddy, wheat or pulses. And the most correct option is wheat, having highly digestive protein in it. Okay. Next. Which of the following is not a fiber crop? And the correct option is paddy. Paddy is a not a fiber crop. Next. Regions with annual mean rainfall more than 24 degrees Celsius falls under which zone? And the options are alpine, subtropical, tundra, tropical or none of these. And the most correct option is tropical region, having annual mean temperature more than 24 degree Celsius. Next. Next question is in jute growing areas usually alternate crop is, and the options are paddy, sugarcane, wheat, tea or cotton. And the most correct option is paddy. Paddy is cultivated as an alternate crop after jute. What will be the cropping intensity if two crops grown on a same land in a year? And the options are 20%, 50%, 100%, 200% or 300%. And the most correct option is 200%. And the formula to calculate cropping intensity is the ratio of total crop area to net cultivated area multiplied with 100 to convert this fraction into percentage. Which of the following is not a part of agronomy? Obviously, the answer will be E. Sheep raising planning is not a part of agronomy, is a part of animal husbandry. Which of the following cropping practice is eco-friendly? Obviously, the answer is organic farming when it comes to eco-friendly. Okay, next. Which of the following is the most important resource for agricultural production after land and water? And the options are agricultural loan, environmental security, biomass, fertilizer or none of these. And the most correct option is a fertilizer. That is the third most essential requirement in agriculture after land and water. Which of the following makes cropping more intensive? And the options are use of irrigation, cropping pattern, use of organic manure, use of chemical fertilizers, high yielding varieties of the seeds, and the most correct option from this is use of chemical fertilizer. That is option D is the correct answer that will make cropping more intensive. Which of the following region receive monsoon first? And the options are Bay of Bengal region, coastal region of Gujarat, Himalayan region, coastal region of Kerala or coastal region of Maharashtra. And the correct option is coastal region of Kerala receives monsoon first. Next question is the depth of seedling in wheat is dependent on, and the options are length of coleoptiles, length of mesocotyle, length of radicle, both B and C or none of these. And the correct option for the question is length of coleoptile, over which the seedling depth of wheat is totally dependent. And the sowing depth of wheat is not more than 5 centimeter because the length of coleoptile is up to 5 centimeter in wheat. Okay. Soil mulch is useful in, obviously the option correct answer from the option is minimizing the evaporation losses. So mulching is helpful to reduce the soil temperature, and that's how the evaporation losses are curbed. Next, which food is designated as a boneless meat? And the options are tapioca, soybean, banana, potato, or none of these. And the correct option is soybean. Soybean is designated as boneless meat. The atmospheric layer nearest to the Earth's surface is. Options are troposphere, thermosphere, biosphere, exosphere, or none of these. And the correct option for this question is troposphere. Troposphere is the atmospheric layer from the atmospheric strata which is nearest to the Earth's surface. Leafless variety of pea. Options are Aparna, L116, Bonvilla, T163, or none of these. And the correct option is Aparna. Aparna is the leafless variety of pea. Next question is the largest tea producer state in India, and the options are Karnataka, Kerala, Meghalaya, Assam, Tamil Nadu. Question is very easy and the answer is Assam. Assam is the largest tea producer state in India. Next question is in Indo-Gangetic Plains, rice wheat cropping system covers about, and the options are 5 million hectare, 10 million hectare, 15 million hectare, 20 million hectare, or none of these. And the correct option from this is 10 million hectares. So the Indo-Gangetic Plains for rice and wheat cropping system covers up to 10 million hectare area, and this is highlighted in red region over the map is the Indo-Gangetic Plains. Densest part of atmosphere strata is, and the options are mesosphere, stratosphere, troposphere, thermosphere, or none of these. And the correct answer for this is option C, that is troposphere. Troposphere is the densest part of atmosphere strata. Which crop is also known as white gold? Question is very easy and the answer for this is cotton. Cotton is known as white gold. Which of the following crop is thermo insensitive? And the options are sorghum, paddy, sunflower, wheat, or none of these. And the correct answer is sunflower. Sunflower crop is a thermo insensitive. The groundwater table is measured by. You have to identify the name of instrument that used to measure groundwater table, and the options are piezometer, tensiometer, pressure plate, neutron plate, or none of these. And the correct answer for this question is piezometer. Piezometer is used to measure groundwater table. Country having the maximum area of hybrid rice. And the options are USA, Indonesia, India, China, or none of these. And the correct option for this is China. China is a country having maximum area of hybrid rice cultivation. Inflorescence of rice is known as, and the options are panicle, spike, ear, raceme, or none of these. The correct answer is panicle. The inflorescence of rice is known as panicle. The origin place of soybean is, and the options are Peru, China, Mexico, Brazil, or none of these. And the correct answer for the question is China. China is the origin place of soybean. Rice grain is deficient in, and the options are isoleucine, glycine, alanine, lysine, or none of these. So these are the name of amino acids, and the correct answer for this is lysine. Lysine is the amino acid that is deficient in the rice grain. Photoperiodically, rice is a, and the options are short day plant, long day plant, day neutral plant, both B and C, or none of these. So the correct answer for this question is rice is a short day plant, means option A is the correct answer. So what is short day plant? Short day plant are those plants which require minimum exposure to the sunlight to induce flowering up to 8 to 10 hours. And in case with the long day plants, these plants require exposure of sunlight more than 10 hours up to 10 to 12 hours to initiate flowering. So mostly the kharif crops are short day plants, and the crops sown in the rabi season in winter season are the long day plants. Alpha toxin contamination is generally found in, and the options are soybean, chickpea, groundnut, pigeon pea, or none of these. And the correct answer for the question is groundnut, means option C is the correct answer. So alpha toxin is a contamination which is actually produced by a mold Aspergillus flavus in a groundnut. The first maize hybrid in India was, options are Ganga 101, Vijay, Vikram, Kisan, or none of these. So the answer is Ganga 101 was the first maize hybrid in India. Maximum productivity of sugarcane in India is in which state? And the options are Tamil Nadu, Haryana, Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, or none of these. And the correct answer is Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu has maximum productivity of sugarcane. In India, the maximum area under wheat is occupied by the species. So the name of species is Triticum aestivum is the name of species which occupies maximum area under wheat cultivation in India. Next question is the most widely cultivated mustard type in India is. So the options are Indian mustard, Thoria, black mustard, yellow mustard, or none of these. And the correct option is Indian mustard. Indian mustard is the type of mustard which is mostly cultivated in India. Pruning is most essential for, and the options are cinchona, tea, rubber, cauliflower, or none of these. And the correct answer from the options is tea. Pruning is most essential practice in a tea cultivation. Then what is pruning? Pruning is nothing but the cutting away old branches to promote a regrowth or to encourage regrowth of new flushes. Crop logging is done in, and the options are cotton, tobacco, maize, sugarcane, or none of these. And the correct answer for this question is crop logging is done in tobacco, means B is the correct answer. And then what is crop logging? So it is a plan that assessing the requirement of the nutrient for yield maximization is called crop logging, and it mostly done in the tobacco. Indian Institute of Rice Research is located at, and the given options are Kanpur, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Cuttack, Patna. And the correct answer for this question is Hyderabad. So Indian Rice Research Institute is located at Hyderabad. Which one of the following is a not kharif crop? So you have to identify the name of crop which is not cultivated in a kharif season, and the options are paddy, linseed, groundnut, maize, or none of these. And the correct option for the question is linseed. Linseed is the crop that is not cultivated in kharif season but cultivated in a winter or rabi season. Which one of the following crop is more responsible for zinc application? And the given options are moong, paddy, wheat, rapeseed, or none of these. So correct answer for this question is paddy. Paddy is responsible for zinc application because if the zinc deficiency in the soil, that will cause Khera disease in rice. That's why farmers are applying zinc in the form of zinc sulfate in soil. So that's how the paddy is responsible for zinc application in India. Next question is the fertilizer also called as SONA is, and the given options are CAN means calcium ammonium nitrate, ammonium nitrate, urea, diammonium phosphate, or none of these. And the correct answer for this question is CAN means calcium ammonium nitrate is also called as SONA, means Kisan Khad is also called as SONA. Integrated weed management includes, given options are close planting, tillage operation, use of herbicide, all of these or none of these. And the correct answer for this is option D, that is all of this. All of this means integrated approach is followed to control the weed population, to eradicate the weed, and to promote the yield of a crop. So all these options are correct when integrated weed management is taken into consideration. Crop rotation is suggested against, and the given options are waterborne diseases, soil-borne diseases, airborne diseases, seed-borne diseases, or against aphid-borne diseases. So the correct answer for this is soil-borne diseases, means option B is the correct answer. So crop rotation is suggested against these soil-borne diseases. Sprinkler method for irrigation is most suitable for, and correct answer from this option is undulated soil. So the sprinkler irrigation method is suitable for undulated soil of uneven topography in a hilly region. Optimum percentage of moisture content for paddy storage. So correct answer from the given options is 12%. So 12% is the optimum percentage of moisture content in a paddy storage. Phalaris minor is a weed associated with which crop? So you have to identify the crop in which Phalaris minor weed is associated. So options are chickpea, paddy, maize, wheat, or none of these. So correct answer for this is wheat. In wheat crop, Phalaris minor is a weed which is associated in a wheat field. Pusa Sugandha 5 is a variety of which crop? So from the given options you have to identify these varieties belongs to which crop, and the options are maize, pea, wheat, moong, or paddy. So correct answer for this is paddy, means option number E is the correct option. E is the correct answer. So Pusa Sugandha 5 is a scented variety of paddy. The time of planting of main crop of potato in northern plain is, the given options are first fortnight of October, second fortnight of October, first fortnight of November, or second fortnight of November, or none of these. So correct option is first fortnight of October is the time of planning the cultivation of potato as a main crop in a northern plain. The crop rotation of maize followed by potato followed by wheat followed by moong is an example of, and the given options are mixed cropping, relay cropping, intercropping, parallel cropping, or none of these. So this example is well known for relay cropping, means option B is the correct answer. So what is relay cropping? Relay cropping is a type of multiple cropping system in which one crop is sown well before the harvesting of a previous crop on a same field is called relay cropping. The component of organic farming are, and given options are biopesticide, biofertilizer, organic manure, all of these or none of these. So correct answer for this question is option number D, that is all of these, excluding this option E, none of this. Okay, so answer is all of these. All are the components of organic farming. UPS 120 or Upas 120 is a variety of, and the given options are pigeon pea, gram, wheat, urad, or none of these. So correct answer for this is pigeon pea. So Upas 120 120 is a variety of pigeon pea. Mainly it is a extra early maturing variety of pigeon pea. It is also mutant variety of pigeon pea which is in use since 1976. And this selection is evolved at GB Pant Agriculture University at Pantnagar. Kabuli Chamatkar and Udai are chickpea varieties from, and the given options are Punjab, Rajasthan, Bihar, Haryana, Madhya Pradesh. So correct option is option D, that is Haryana. So Kabuli Chamatkar and Udai are chickpea varieties are from Haryana. So next question is, which state has the highest area and production of potato in India? And the given options are Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh. And the correct option is Uttar Pradesh is stand first in area and production of potato in India. Which seed rate should be adopted for maize crop grown for fodder purpose? And these are the options. Includes 40 to 45 kg per hectare seed rate, 25 to 30 kg per hectare, 20 to 25 kg per hectare, 10 to 12 kg per hectare, or 5 to 8 kg per hectare seed rate. So required seed rate for fodder purpose of maize is 40 to 45 kg per hectare is the seed rate when you have to cultivate the maize crop as an fodder crop. Which of the following is used for primary tillage? So options are harrow, rollers, plows, tractor and plank. Answer is very easy. Correct option is plows. So plows are initially used in seedbed preparation as an primary tillage implement. Next question is the conversion factor for conservation of organic carbon to organic matter is usually taken as. So conversion factor, you have to identify the conversion factor from these options. So options are 0.45, 2.04, 1.72, 0.91 or 1.36. So the correct answer, correct option is option C, that is 1.72. So here is the formula of conversion of organic matter to the total organic carbon. So the next question is Vasantrao Naik Award is given by ICAR for research application in, and the given options are pisciculture, aquaculture, dryland agriculture, horticulture or dairy science. So for this question is a kind of assignment to you. You have to comment the answer of the question over the screen in a comment section. Okay. So this is the last question of this session. My dear learners, thanks for giving me your precious time. If you have any doubt and queries regarding the preparation, you can mail us on hello@edutab.co.in. So stay connected, stay healthy. Thank you so much.